Hello, welcome to how to cook a steak. Steak. I'm gonna put some salt and some pepper on it. It's going on a plate. I'm gonna eat it by itself. Step one of cooking a good steak is to bin off the steak and then replace it with a glass. The glass goes here, very important, and then we get some ice. Now I don't know about you guys, but I like to keep my ice in a Morrison's Ziploc bag. This is very important to making a steak. Ice, another bit of ice. And this is now going back in the freezer. The next step is rum. I have this lovely red leg rum. I bought a lot of rum. We're gonna make it for steak. Wow, acquire this. My editing skills are great. This is a shot measure that's important, so you know how much steak you're putting in your steak. Anyway, this is a double shot, and it's rum. It smells like banana, because it's banana rum. Oh, fuck balls. Wow, that was good rum pouring by me for my steak. Next up is a 7-Up. Wow, it makes noises. Dump like half a fucking can in there, who gives a fuck? Part 1 of steak is done. Rum. Ditch this. Now you get on to the steak. I'm a pedant as such, and I'll be salt and peppering my steak. But first and foremost, I need to get it out of the shitty vacuum seal packaging. Voila! I like to season my steak a lot, so I baste it in salt. Most of the salt goes on the table and surrounding area, and then I baste it in pepper. But how the fuck does this pepper shaker work? Is it just like a... Yeah! And then you cover it in pepper. Very important step. Rub that fucker in. Like my ex-wife. I fucking know what step we're on. Flip the steak over. Next step is to acquire a kitchen roll to wipe your hands down, because otherwise your hands are not wiped down. We're going to do the same on this side. Yummy. Enjoy a sip of your rum to celebrate. Tastes like steak. Welcome to my cooking area. This is my pan. It's weird colour, isn't it? I've got some light olive oil, and I'm just going to drop a little fucking bosh, a tiny splash in. It's fucking great, that. Reward yourself with a sip of your rum. Now, before we can cook the steak, there's a very important step that we've missed. You want to get a glass, and then, wow, get this again, very good for the flavour of the rum. I can't be fucked to measure it again, so I'm just going to eyeball it. Anyway, find your 7-Up from earlier. Here it is. Pour the rest of that shit in the fucking glass. Now, the important thing is that you do this quickly and then you save on ice. You fucking love that, don't you? Reward yourself for this step with a sip of your rum. Banana-y. Welcome back to the cooking area. Here I have my steak. Here I have my saucepan. We're going to turn this on now. I've not used this fucking hob yet. Ooh, that's fucking... I fuck with that. Now, a good thing that I'd recommend to do while you wait is to have a sip of your rum. Very nice. Banana-y. My oil is starting to oil. I'm going to add the steak. Pick it up with your hands, you puff. Put it in the pan. Hear that sizzle? I didn't either. That's because I didn't wait long enough for the oil. Wash your hands. Why does my wife leave me? While it's cooking, you can have a sip of your rum. Banana-y. Wow, this is really sizzling. That's... While you wait for your steak to cook, you can have a sip of your rum. Yummy. Oh, fuck. Now, the important thing for flavouring is consistency. If you, like me, have also run out of rum during this time, you can treat yourself to a second glass. Undo your rum. Eyeball it because you don't give a fuck. Put the lid back in. Go get some more ice from the freezer. Crush that shit in your fucking hands, you bitch. Apologise for your profanity. Right now your steak's making an alarming noise. That's because it's cooking.
By now, you've reached the point that your steak is ready to flip. Get it all in there. Fucker. Get on the fucking spatula, you cunt!
Reward yourself for the first... for the rum. The stuff is... Here's the label. It's 37.5%. I thought it was weaker than that. It isn't weaker than that. I've done 6 shots in 16 minutes. I'm fucking dying. Hurrah!
Now, this steak is gonna be fucking delicious.
When it comes to plating up a steak, the first thing you should do is have a sip of your rum. Off a plate. Take your steak off the flame. It's going to still be sizzling a little bit. Take it on the spatula. Fuck it off on the flame. Now, This might still be hot, so don't touch it. Don't touch it. In my mind's eye, I'll let you witness this. The noise! It's fucking beautiful. Use the spatula there to cut some black shit off. Just fucking scrape it away. Oh yeah.
You ready for the reveal? That's right, it's medium as fuck! So burn it. I'm gonna eat this steak now. Bon appetit.